Guys, wagwan. Yeah man, welcome back to another video from Russia. Understand? So guys, today we go on another different kind of adventure. From time to time we just slip in something different. You get me? So today guys we go on a country vlog. You understand? We go on a farm. So you don't know me as a man more while. We just do something different on the channel, and today is just one of them days that we're here. First, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to take on in the bush, so to speak. You understand? As you can see around me, cane piece and everything there. Well, freshly cut cane. Because place have a whole heap of cane. You see me? Look, peeps. As you can see. So, just in case you know I wonder which part I'm there right now. So, at this present moment, I'm there about 2,700 and something feet. Don't quote me on that, but close to that, you understand? So we're up in the Juan-de-Bolas mountain right now. And I think I do a video on my TikTok page already highlighting the fact that just a couple miles from here, so there used to be like slave settlements and stuff like that, you see me? So we are heading at the bush right now, close to that spot. When I gonna actually do a video about that today, because today's vlog is about just how we do it more while I'm coming at the bush. So look some food and everything there. I might link up with my father because him there over there save the speed, so I might link up with him. You might see him, you see me, but we don't know yet. But we know we just try the journey, and you see me? I'm gonna see everything we go through when we just come out of the town vibe and decide say country I did. You get me? So I will show you like the YAAD Man Ting and couple food we may have and how we live when we come into this space. You see me? So as you can see around me, I just straight bush, bamboo and them thing there. Look. Look now, man. You see it? Yeah, man. So yeah guys, so I'm gonna just make you see a different kind of so you can't see. We just see a big lizard, right? So that's why I do. Yeah, so I'm gonna see a different kind of lifestyle today. We never do a vlog yet. Never actually do like a vlog like this. So this is something brand new to me. And we hope to do this some more. So if you don't like what you see so far, and if you don't like this vlog and you don't want to see more, just hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, guys, remember to subscribe and share the video. You see me? That's the only way the channel are gonna grow and we're gonna reach more eyes. You see me? So don't watch a fox say, yo, I'm not doing no video for a long this while. That in itself is another story. So we touch on that topic on another time, but sometimes we just really extra busy, and we might go off of the screen for a while. So don't watch that. Just go and watch a video them same way when you put them out. And if there's any on the channel that you never see before, or if you never watch any before, just go and watch and like, subscribe to them. You see me? So guys, we're gonna make you see the ins and out of what we go through more while when we come out of the bush. come look to banana or look to plantain or come just want clear with head and cut and clear. We just coming at the hills. You see it? Yeah, man. As you can see, gully we are going at. So, if you're not fit enough, you can't take on them journey. See it? Yeah, man. Nice country vibe, you see me? Remember, as a youth, we used to run up them places and it used to be fun for it, but we can't do it again. Can't do it now. The knees and the ankle them a give way, so. You don't know when I was young again to do them thing there, but it was a joy when we was a youth to come at them places and some look food and run over them hill like a nothing. Guys, it's a grape tree. Grape tree, but them one of the farm. I'm not sure if I can reach them one day. I'll have a stick right here, so. I have a stick right here, so. But maybe when I come back inside. So guys, the tree I'm giving a little knowledge. The tree I wanna say right now. And I haven't any fruit or anything on it now. But this is the busy tree. In Jamaica we call it busy. Call it busy or Kola nut. So all the folks I know about busy, I know say can greater than the nut and boil tea with it. Them say if you're taking a form of poison, if you're taking a form of poison and you drink busy, it actually get rid of the toxins out of your body. Oh, by the way, see the tree guys, see it busy. So it actually grow in a pod. Grow in a pod. Up close and personal. Yeah, it grow in a pod. The seeds them look like pear seeds. So when you husk them out and dry them, you can grate them and boil it just like chocolate tea. Nice tea, guys. So guys, let's see how we live. No, this is chocolate, but the one green. I will look see me see a ripe one. And sure not how it look. So again guys, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed yet, just remember to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't liked the video as yet, remember to like the videos guys. That helps the channel a whole lot. Remember to like, share the video them, subscribe. Yeah man, so I take on a journey guys. Whole of a breadfruit tree, but on a really breadfruit season yet. So trees I'm kinda bare right now. Not too deep on them. I mean I look for a chocolate guys, so for sure no, but a big Be a green chocolate. Oh, yeah. See it? Keep such a disappointment. Touch it. Shit. Something bore out there on there. Right, so we have a one banana. Have a one banana. I'm tired. So I start sweat already. Me start sweat already. But them thing are good for you. So guys, as you can see, I have a whole heap of coke on them thing and dashing and grab out the place. See it? That's why when we that country we can't hungry, man. We have too much things to eat. So, you know, guys, I want one chocolate to eat, but yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. But I gotta look up a jelly or dry coconut because I have a couple of coconut tree for I top up this so. And I gotta look up right now. I'm gonna make it over the fence. Oh, see guys, watch. Look what I go on. Papaya, but them green. See it? The ripe one them actually. Birds them eat out the ripe one them. So I go on. Feel too tall, Rasta. Feel too tall. Guys, I see a chocolate, but the one that look like it's not too good. Yeah, the one that turn brown. Rubber tree empty, guys. Empty, empty. Guys, we broke up on one dry coconut already. Wow. I wanna ox out the one right now. Yeah. Guys, this is the tree load, but right now I'm not seeing a stick. I say one stick, but I'm not sure if that one there. See it? Not sure if the stick they can actually reach it. Yeah man, so guys, this is the life we live when you forward the country, see me? Just come clear the mind and clear the lungs and get some fresh food and fruits. So guys, that nice piece of level land when I look on down here, so I'm gonna make you see more of it when we go to a higher altitude. That's actually Loyders Vale. So anybody know about rum bar, rum and Worthy Park Sugar Factory? Down this side there, you see it? So when you're up at Juan-de-Bolas mountain, you get the best view that you can get in a St. Catherine, hands down. So guys, I'll go and see if we can get some coconut. Let's see if we can get some coconut. Speaker feel feeble. Feel weak, I wonder if we can manage. I know you have a fit to do this. I have a fit to do this. But guys, because I want a cup of jelly to drink, so you know, I'm gonna make it up. So stay tuned. You just stick out with you, I'm gonna manage it. We're gonna stick on murder, man. What is? Shadow. You guys don't want the first sticker. Sticker not gonna work out. Me can climb jelly trees. So. This is another day. Now work out. Now work out. Thumbs up to all of the people who can climb jelly tree. But me? Nah, do it. Nah, do it, my peeps. Can't manage that. So, guys, we just like a ox out a couple dry coconut. To make some coconut juice and just call it a day with coconut. So guys, if you can climb coconut tree, good. Just let me know in the comment section. See? Just give me some tips and tricks or of a climb coconut tree. So we have about 3 dry coconuts already, so we'll work with them. Yeah, we'll work with them. Alright, it's kind of good so far. Good. Maybe not. This one not good. I want it rotten. Beeps and strike goal. The one by the sound of it and the smell, no, so the one are good. So strike goal with the one there. That's the one. Yeah, so the one that's spoiled as well. See it? So, that one. No good. No good. Alright guys, so we only have one coconut so far, so yeah. That's how we look. That's how we have to look. So guys, we have another busy right now. So you can see the one young. See it? Green. Normally when them ripe, I think them drop off of the tree. Them change color and drop off of the tree. So let me show you what it look like on the inside. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So this is what you dry and a grater. So if you never know, now you know. So by the way guys, the reason why I'm call it Kola nut as well, because them used to are, I think them still use this to make things like Coca-Cola and stuff like that. You know, things gone artificial nowadays, so maybe maybe them find a way to replicate this and I use some other artificial thing, but I know they started out with this, the same fruit that you see. It's actually a nut. So just like how the chocolate beer inside a pod, same thing with this. So guys, as you can see, we'll go through a yam field right now. So guys, in a country we call this sink it. Then, same member of the banana family, plantain family, same way. But I don't know the original name still. I only know them call it sink it. From a small and I grow, them call it sink it. So when it ripe, people normally fry it just the same. Just like how you have the plantain and them thing there. And when it's in the green stage, I can use it boil a wicked piece of porridge. I call it sink it. Before I actually research if it have any other name, but I know it as sink it. And a whole lot of people really know it still. So if you recognize it in the comment section and I want to drop a little piece of info about it, then feel free. Just let me know I go in the comment section. So as you can see guys, place is fruitful. Want a one cane, but the cane I look away. So like small, maga. Yeah, you see how tall the coconut tree a bit. You want to climb and you see it when you link up, man. Leaves to play school is a shame. I swear. Nice fresh air, you know what I mean? But another time I aim right now, guys. I want a cane. I want a cane right now. I want a small but so you see guys, we have a cane around it. We have a cane around it. Don't worry yourself. So guys, most of the cultivation we see actually belong to us. So if you see me I pop 2 cane and I cut out 1 banana, it's mine. Well, not really mine, but the family one, you know. So big up to grandma who left a decent piece of land. So we can reap the rewards right now. See, I have a whole heap of coconut, not coconut, but cocoa trees. Coconut trees as well, but I have a whole heap of chocolate tree. Back in the days, father used to pick them and sell them. So the cocoa truck come round, he used to sell them, you see it. Guys, you can see the beauty of the hills. They're far from road, but they're really business about that. Guys, this is a pimento tree. See it? Whole heap of things about. So who don't know pimento tree, we just use it, bury them. Oh, by the way, see the blossom right there, so look careful, you can see it. Yeah, man. So guys, as you can see, we have a whole heap of fruit tree. Endless amount of fruit tree. Some they're in season now. Some not in season, but and things in season have a lot, you see it. Yeah. Guys, the father all hot. Guys, so we're going. So if we're there in the bush and rain for we have something for shelter from it. See it? So all who never peel cane in their life, or all who don't know how to peel cane, now you know. Jappy! Jappy! So guys, we just get an idea. See it? Remember it's a cooking channel, so anywhere we can just pitch a fireside and just cook some food. So I think one of my next video, well not my next video, but maybe in the third video from now I might just pitch my tent right that's all. Look. Right this and just cook some food. Tell me what you think. Comment section again. Tell me what you think. Just picture one man pot right there so or just cook some food and just hold a vibe. Who want forward with me? I will just cook some food. Right there so in a little tent. Well that's not a tent still, that's a hut. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so guys we're on the move again, you see it? Yeah. Thing is when I get much fruits and food this time around because as I said earlier everything have a season, so a lot of the things them kinda out of season right now. You get me? We don't really have much guava and Yo! What a road! Alright. Which part you park? Up panel? Alright. Guys, I'm a father that tell us about the country setting. Look the man. Jamaica walk by, what you deal with? What you deal with fam? Which one idea I make a fall in a bush and cook some food. The Jamaica walk by RUSHIE'S Kitchen link up, you know. That's what me know I go on farm. You don't know, me know he's a man love walk, you know. So them journey I wouldn't come like nothing to you. Cause you put them insured, no so. That is it. Yeah man, so anytime you're ready family, we just forward in the bush. Banana there, everything there. When I have to walk with nothing, yam there same speed. You know? I'll just forward and cook some food. You see me? Walk by. And one is a There's about 1 sour orange. Tell me what them orange are name in the comment section. See? So guys, we have more up on the tree, but them the far them there. We have a stick right here, so I have a stick right here, so guys, I normally use a orange I make and sour orange I make like lemonade. Make the body set of lemonade them. And also for wash things like meat and them thing there. buddy. We got one more. Let's take one more. That's it for today. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's it for today. So guys, let me show you what else I go on again. I have some jackfruit over there, so but where them look right now. And now I can't reach them. You can't see them? Look. Yeah man, jackfruit, but right now I don't think you can reach it, so. And even if we pick them, peeps, maybe a gully that I'll go. We can't go so far, so. Yeah man, I have more jackfruit again. Go let me almost reach. Go.
as I close out the video from way up a Juan-de-Bolas, way up a country, way up a bush. I just want to say big up to my father because you say yeah, me so he make sure so me get yam, banana. Well, you know, so when I pick the citrus, you know, so when I pick the coconut, so you know me deal with that. Normally when I get more food from the country, you know, but a ration time now. Sometimes I go have enough, sometimes I go have a little bit, so we just give thanks same way. You get me? We have the flu and a little cold and things, so might sound a kind of stuffy in the video, and we're not gonna hear that. But we make sure say when we get a content this time around. It's me go for look some cold bush, but no never really the about. No leave of life and them thing they never really the about this time. So we just go and open up our lungs in a place. Make sure so you're taking some fresh air and walk some journey and sweat out and you get me? Yeah man. So we go down fine and everything. So as we close out the video guys, I'm way up around the borders. We just want to say heart of love to all of my subscribers them, all of my viewers them, all who like the videos, all who not like the videos, all who are share and make sure so other people see the content. I just want to say respect, thanks 100 million time again. And before we close out the video, guys, remember for like, same way. You understand? Yeah, man. So, guys, love and respect again, you know. Rushie's Kitchen there with another vlog closing out. So, we're going, gone.